I'm about to do this. About to do that Michael Jackson challenge. You know what I'm saying? Can you do this? I know I can. Let's make it happen. What's up, you guys? This is Donald B. How y'all doing? And I want to help you all today and show you how to do the Michael Jackson trend that you see on TikTok. Some of you are confused. I want to know how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Again, my name is Donald, and I have a channel called J&D the Knuckleheads. I do a channel with my family. We have a lot of fun. We do a lot of good things on there, and it's a lot of comedy. And we have like over 178,000 followers. So when I say that I'm going to help you, I kind of know what I'm talking about. I have something I want to offer you all at the end of this video that I feel like it's going to really help you grow your TikTok. But anyway, let's get into it so you have a full understanding of how this actually works. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bust up my phone. I'm going to show you step by step what I do and how to do it. I may mute some of the sounds out because I don't want any copyright issues with the Michael Jackson song on there. So just bear with me as I go through it, but just understanding the process is what's going to help you do your channel or help you do your video, okay? So let's go ahead and get into that now. Boom. All right, guys, how are you doing? So right now I'm actually on my camera. I want to show you guys what I did in order to get this started. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to record from your phone. You're not going to go on TikTok. You need to record from your phone. And this is what worked for me. Go on your phone, record your video, and I can show you. This is what I'm working on my thing right now, but this is the video I recorded with my kids. We just recorded something, and in order for it to start, I told him what they need to do. I get into position, trying to test things out, so ignore all of this stuff, but all you want to do is record a regular video, okay? Record a regular video, and that's how you're going to do it from there. Now, what happens once you record it, you're going to get to the end of that video. So we're just going through the whole spiel here. I go to the end, and I pause myself. So let's pause this video. I get all the way to the end of my video. After I perform it and everything. Sorry, let me start over. So you need to have the song playing in the background. I have another pad on my TikTok. I have another TikTok on my pad. So I play the sound from the TikTok from my pad. And you can hear it. Just kind of listen, watch. Let's go ahead and start here. This what? It's going to sound very low. So it doesn't really matter though, but listen. Hold on. No, that's so there. And hold up, let's try it again. Turn off my headset. We're going to try it again. Let's kind of fast forward and hold on. No, that's so there. And good. So you can kind of hear the song in the background. So anyways, I go ahead and I pause just like that, okay? And all I do is take a screenshot of this picture. So once you pause it, we'll get this out the way. Just tap your screen one more time if you have a Droid. I don't know what happens with the Apple, but tap your screen one more time for all the pause, the plays and everything to go away. And then just do a screenshot. And the way I do a screenshot is I hit the power button and the down button on my Galaxy 10. I had the Galaxy 20. If you hit it at the same time, you'll be able to do a screenshot. If you do not know how to do a screenshot, just Google it. Google it and put your phone on there and ask, how do you do a screenshot? I promise you it will tell you that. Anyway, so like I said, I do a screenshot. Let me just show you how I did a screenshot. Screenshot, boom, just like that, okay? Once you're done with that, now you can come back out. For me, what I did was I actually went to my software, which is called KineMaster. KineMaster is what I utilize to do all my editing. I got to turn it sideways for it to work. And then what happened here is, let's say, this was the video I did anyway. So let's back out. I paused it. And all I did was go to my media and add the things that I needed. I added the screenshot and I added the video. So as you can see here, I added the video here. So this is the video. I can make it longer because I did some cutting for it to make it work. And then I added the picture at the end. What I did for the picture though, was I changed the color filter. So as you can see here, it says basic and it says B18. Let's say let's remove the color altogether. So let's hold on. There's the color. That's the regular color. I hit the picture. Now, for some people, you may have to crop it, where I kind of did a position where I can actually make it bigger or larger, or whatever, how I want to do it. But I cropped it so that it actually stands out with everything off of it, anything that's extra that doesn't need to be on there. And like I said, I go back, let's say I leave that alone, go back to the color. So I go back to the color filter, I go to basic, and I go to B18, which was a black and white. I turn it black and white, boom, just like that. There are other ways of doing it. I know some people have done it other ways, but like I said, if you do that, this is all you need. And I'm done. My video is all done. So I just play it. So I do all that and I play it. And the thing is, once it cuts, see, watch. Just like that. See, I don't worry about any sound. I don't need the sound at all. The sound is not necessary, but it's necessary if you want to get everything on point when you are actually trying to record the video, and then you're going to put the video on TikTok. So, anywho, I went ahead and export this, meaning I went ahead and downloaded it onto my phone to have a copy of it. So I'm just going to back out since I already have a copy for it. Back out. And now I'm going back to TikTok. So, just like you do with normal TikTok. Everybody knows how to do TikTok. So, let's go to TikTok. And what I'll do is, let's get out of here. Let's go back to my homepage. And let's go to create a TikTok. So, you hit that plus button down at the bottom. What I did was I come to uploads on the right, on the bottom right hand corner. And I go ahead and select my video. Hit next. So you can hear it in the background. Because I don't want to play the full song because I don't want to deal with copyright issues when it comes to TikTok. But let's kind of go forward. But you see that? Boom, look at that. The cut goes in there. It's already in there. Just like that. And all I got to do is hit next. And pause it again. So let's come here. Let's turn this down. So I turn it all the way down and put, let's wait, go to added sound. So added sound is bad. I can come down here and look for the bad sound, because usually it probably knows what song you're doing and it'll just put it there for you. Or go to your favorites, because I already have the song saved. So I can go to my favorites and it's already there. That's the last thing I saved anyways. So I can just add it to it and I'm done. So I hit next because I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to play the sound. I'm not trying to deal with the whole copyright issue. But as you can see, that's all you need to do to get everything accessed, or that's all that you need to do to get everything up and loaded for your actual sound for the bad TikTok trend. Okay? So that's basically what you want to do. And hold on again, I have a gift for you all to help you grow your TikTok channel. But like I said, this is all you need to do to get that done. And of course, you'll post it, all that stuff, and you'll be set and ready to go. All right? Oh, sorry. Anyways, I hope that helped you all. I hope that was very self-explanatory. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to leave comments down below. I will answer your questions as soon as I can. I try to answer them as fast as I can within the next 24 to 48 hours. And I will definitely get back with you. But like I said, this is a trend that everybody's picking up, and I love this trend. And that's basically how you actually do that and get that on there. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. And like I said, I promised I'll give you guys a little gift. If you look below, there's a link that's giving you access to my checklist. And this is the checklist that I use to grow my channel. This is what worked for me, and it worked for a couple other people as well. And I believe if you follow it to the T, it will help you as well. One of the biggest things is try and get yourself a theme, and I promise you it should work for you. If you don't do what I'm asking, then I can't help you. But if you do everything there, I'm telling you, you should see a difference in what you're doing. But like I said, the biggest thing that TikTok love is a theme. And if you don't have a theme, if you can't look at your channel and tell me what it's about, then you're not going to grow. Okay? Don't listen to the people telling you about it. You're being shadow banned. It's grow a theme. You have a theme, you will grow. All right? All right, y'all. So again, this is Donald B. Please like, subscribe, do what you got to do. I enjoy everything you give back, and I appreciate the feedback, and I love you guys. All right, y'all. Doses.